on the subscribe and enable the bell icon for getting further notification when I upload further videos. Guys, today in this video we have an unboxing of the LENOVO IdeaPad S540 and a bag for that also. So stay tuned and watch the full video. So Hellcat.
This bag is getting free with this laptop, and this bag is comfortable for getting the 15.6-inch laptops, and this has two slots. One is from here for putting laptop and another is from here back side. So from these two we can just put on. I have to look what's inside. Oh, there is a Lenovo carrying case, sleeve, and warranty card of this. You can just put there only, and what's here? Nothing. So then we can go to the unboxing of our laptop. This is the LENOVO IdeaPad S540, which is have a fingerprint sensor, and this is an 8 GB RAM and 1 TB plus 256 SSD version. So first of all, we can just open the box. This is the mineral gray color. Then first of all, what is inside the box? So the thing inside the box is a charger adapter, and there is a 65-watt fast charging adapter. We can just plug it and skip here, and the laptop is just the mineral gray color. So guys, this is so wonderful, and we can just remove this and that, and nothing is inside the box much more than this thing and the laptop. So here is a user's manual. So setup guides, safety and warranty guide, and Windows 10 restrictions. Setup guide was things. Oh my god, I can understand it's not somewhat is only in English. So we can just look. What is this? This is the LENOVO IdeaPad S540, and we are removing this too. Now our laptop is ready. This is so wonderful. I like it so much. So we can remove the cover. So guys, this is getting a mineral gray color with a simple matte finish. You can just open it. So there are some tips on here. It's about the laptop. Yeah, it's a camera, but you have to remove the sticker for seeing it. So first of all, we can look its physical interface. So guys, we can look the physical interview of this LENOVO IdeaPad S540. And first of all, the thing which I noticed is the keyboard. The keys are somewhat big, and the second thing which I noticed is the on button. When you look, the on button is not in a square or round shape. This is in a shape which is straight plus just like an oval shape. This has 15.6-inch Full HD display, and this comes with an NVIDIA GeForce MX 250, and this has a processor of Core i5 10th Gen, and this also has a fingerprint sensor just here, and the trackpad are so big, and this is somewhat to the left side. But when you look about the ports, there are many ports. This is an headphone jack, this is a Type-C port, HDMI port, and charging port. When you come to the other side, there are two USB-C ports and USB ports, and there are on lights and headphone jack connecting lights. So, and one extra SD too. So this is the physical interview of this Lenovo IdeaPad S540, and this has a Dolby audio too. And this is so wonderful. When you look from here and there, you can get a wonderful performance. I don't know correctly, we can just use it and tell how is the performance. Then this has small bezels. When you look, the sides are so thin, and this is a thin and sleek laptop which supports many things. Guys, before using any laptop, you must charge. So I have also fully charged this laptop. Okay, this has a fast charge which you will take. Now we can open this laptop. For that, we have to just remove this, and we have to just click on this on button. Oh my god. Yeah, this has a backlight keyboard which is so wonderful and so beautiful. So now it is being on. This is so wonderful. Yeah, I forgot to tell about one feature, which is you can open and close the camera by using this. So now it's getting loaded. The Lenovo's official app is there, and it is being on. Now we have to wait some time for getting open. So guys, now it's been open, and you can just see just a moment. Welcome.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready
Okay,
for all you plan to
then
do.
I will set up everything. So we gotta set up this.
Quiet. Just select the little mic.
So guys, every setup has been finished now. So our laptop is ready for work, and first of all, we can go to search and notepad. Okay, so we can just look over the typing experience. So this is so wonderful laptop in my view, and we can just type Razzle, and the writings and everything, and the keyboard is so smooth, and this is a backlight keyboard which provides you a white color now, and we can just look at other things such as file explorers. Nothing will be there, but you must look. So we can just look at a simple video. No videos are there in this PC. This is new for me, so nothing is there in this PC. So what are the Windows SSD, and this as I say, these say hybrid PCs, and something may not be there, but this is so wonderful because we can just go to the connecting of data. So this take a little bit of minute. So you don't wait, I'll wait and I will do. So guys, we have set our Wi-Fi, and now I will show you a simple trailer of iPhone 12 by Apple in my laptop for getting you how much video quality does it have. So here's the video. Powered by a Dolby audio speaker system, and you can see how much clear does it have, and this is a full HD display, and the best laptop which you can buy under 65,000 to 70,000 is this. I prefer this only because when I use this and do everything with this, I like the laptop most. So if you gonna buy the laptop, you just buy the IdeaPad S540. This is so wonderful by giving the features and other things. Everything is perfect, and backlight keyboards for thin bezels and cameras and fingerprint and other every features are best, and it is a GB RAM version with 1 TB hard disk plus 256 SSD, and this is for buy an NVIDIA GeForce MX 250. I have tried already, and Core i5 also, and this is only one version available, and you have one more version which only costs 6,000 below than this, and which is they will be not having the fingerprint. So I like the fingerprint and I like everything. So